I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Nord 4 is updated and the AI features are turned on. This ensures compatibility and speed. Next, open the article, chat, or document you want summarized and tap the share icon or three-dot menu to surface the AI tools. Then select AI Summary and pick the summary length, short for quick takeaways, medium for balanced context, or long for detail. Doing this first speeds the process and avoids redoing steps if the tool needs extra permissions or network access. Once done selecting the summary length, customize the output by choosing tone and focus so the AI emphasizes what matters to you. For example, technical versus plain language summaries. You can also enable key phrase extraction or toggle whether to include highlights and examples. After configuring options, tap Generate and watch the progress indicator. This lets you know the model is working. If the content is long, expect a bit more processing time. Make sure your network connection remains stable to avoid truncated results. You now review the generated summary and use the inline edit tools to refine sentences or add context, because AI gets close but you control final clarity. Once satisfied, export or share the summary to notes, email, or other apps directly from the menu. If the summary is off-topic or missing facts, retry with a different focus or length and make sure your Nord 4 has a stable connection. If problems persist, clear the app cache or toggle AI features off and back on to reset the model session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.